Okay, so we're gonna talk about legally married. Well, like how to legally married in Indonesia as Indonesian citizen. So firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is Titis, Williscesha MAYLANI. You can call me Titis. I'm a law student at UPN Veteran Jawa Timur with NPM 25071010201. So how? Well, I'm gonna explain the procedure, right? Firstly, you need to make sure the legal requirements are fulfilled. You need to make sure you fulfill all the legal requirements, and mainly we talk about three topics in here. So it's about minimum age, consent of both parties, man and woman, and the last one is there's no prohibited marriage in our country. These three topics is already regulated by laws in Article 6, Article 7, Article 8, Law number 1 of 1974. In Article 6, it's about consent and parental permission. When you're just underage, 21 years old, you need your parents' permission to get married before getting married. It's only an adult to get legally married in Indonesia, so there is no child married regulated by it. And then Article 7 is about minimum marriage. Law number 1 of 1974, it's written that the minimum age is under 18. But now it's amended. Get legally married when you're just 19 years old. It's amended. If you under 21, you need your parental permission. And Article 8 is about prohibited marriage like blood relatives, parents, children, siblings, grandparents, uncle and aunts, direct blood relation, collateral blood relation, affinity, and other prohibited relation under religion or laws. So here's the step 2. Step 2 is you need to obtain introductory from local authorities. The place to visit is neighborhood head like RT or RW, village or sub-district office like kelurahan. You also need to prepare a few documents like identity card or KTP, birth certificate, akta kelahiran, and then family cards, kartu keluarga. And here's the step 3. There are also documents, additional documents. So somehow you need to prepare additional documents if there is such a condition. If you're a widow or widower, you need to prepare divorce certificate or death certificate. Your underage marriage, you need the court dispensation. If you're in the military or police, you need your superior's letters, your superior's permissions letter. Here's we are on step 4 is register the marriage. For Muslims, you need to register it on Office of Religious Affairs or you're familiar with KUA. If you're non-Muslims, you need to register your marriage in Office of Population and Civil Registration. Well, it's familiar with this Dukcapil. You need. Finally, we're on step 5. Step 5 is about verification of documents. You can verify your documents on KUA, like Religious Affairs, and also this Dukcapil. Verify completeness and validity of documents, so it makes sure that your documents is real, it's not fake, or make sure there are no legal impediments of marriage. So after the office verified all your documents, we'll go to step 6. It's about premarital counseling. So you get educated about marriage, about family life, preparing how to make such a happy family life, and educate couples on rights and obligations. Well, finally, the ceremony. You finally get married, girl. The step 7 is about marriage ceremony. You can make it wherever you want, like house, hotel, ballroom, and whatever. Even in the office, you can make the ceremony on there. The ceremony is according to your religion. And finally, we got the last one, the step 8. It's about office registration or state legality. So after you're getting married, if you're a Muslim, you will receive such a marriage book or is familiar with buku nikah from KUA. And if you're a non-Muslim, you will receive a marriage certificate from this Dukcapil. So that's the last step of getting married legally in Indonesia as Indonesian citizen. I would say that this is my husband. I'm legally married with him. So that's the step by step, the procedure of how to get married legally in Indonesia as Indonesian citizen from me, Titis. So thank you for watching.